Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's polar white. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the AMG line, which is going to give you 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, AMG exterior and interior, front and rear LED daytime running lights, black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof, turn around back, rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, plenty of space in the back, fold down rear seats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you blind spot assist, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, Burmeister sound system, heated seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, our media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 7,181 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.